So today I'm going to show you how to do the dumbbell military press. Keep in mind there's also the barbell military press, but this is another variation called the dumbbell military press. It works on the three parts of your shoulders, which is the front, the lateral, and the rear. So this workout can be done either sitting or standing, but I prefer to do sitting. So here goes. First of all, grab your dumbbells, place them on your lap. Then you want to take it like this to your shoulders. Then you take it up. You aim, squeeze at the top. Good. You're not taking it back, you're not taking it forward, but directly straight up. For the purpose of this video, I'm using 5 kgs because it's easier to do it multiple times without getting tired. But if you're a veteran, you can use a heavier weight, but for beginners, it's advisable you use a smaller weight. So this particular workout, different from the barbell, will help your individual shoulders to grow more. The barbell workout, you do it with the barbell and it works both muscles, both shoulders at the same time. But this one, you get to work the weaker shoulder, so that you find the weaker shoulder once you've done this workout. So if you realize that your left shoulder might be weaker than your right shoulder, when I did it first time, my left shoulder was weaker than my right shoulder. I didn't know that because I was doing barbell military press all along. So when I switched to dumbbell military press, I noticed that my left shoulder was significantly weaker than my right shoulder. So doing this dumbbell military press will help fix your muscle imbalances. It will help you prevent injuries ahead of time. So yes, this is the dumbbell military press. It's a very good, very exciting shoulder workout. You should incorporate it into your workout routines to get the gains. I like to call it the gains, to get the gains. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tutorials on workout videos like this, and turn on your post notification just in case we post any tutorial that you may be interested in and you enjoy it. As always, it's been a pleasure. Thank you.